Today I'm gonna show you a brand new tool that's under development for Stonehearth, which is the most awaited building tool, yay! So we can now design our whole building the way we like it and use our creativity. And the developers always said this was a core feature they wanted to include in Stonehearth. So now they're showing us the development of it. But bear in mind this is a non-stable release, only designed for us to test the new building tool, so bear in mind it's gonna be buggy and such. So now let's start our little segment, and I'm gonna go quickly to the steps until we get to the actual building part. So let's clear these trees and get all the resources we need. We're gonna need a lot of wood. Yeah, so there's a lot of bugs here in this release, and also there's a few missing features that were included in the other official release. So obviously they made it so we can concentrate our efforts on the new building tool. So I guess we're ready. So don't mind this little popping message here. It's probably an upcoming feature eventually about new people that might join our community, but it's not working yet, so don't mind it. So let's click on the building tool, and as you can see we have a new window here with all the part of the building we can build. So we can like floor, walls, and roof and such. But the first thing is the foundation, so let's draw the floor plan and choose one of the texture. I like this one, but you can choose the others too. So let's draw a little area on the ground that's gonna be the size of the building. And that's big enough for now. Well, I want to keep it simple because I just want to show you how it works. Next step is the walls. You can build the individual wall or all the one at once, and you can choose a texture like a plaster or this one, which is the logs. So let's click here and we have all the walls. Next is the roof. Let's click and we have a roof. It's pretty simple and straightforward. And you can also add some decorations before you build it. So you click on do that, like doors, windows. So let's put a door here and some windows. I'm really glad we have some doors and windows now. So you can put it everywhere you want, but you can put it on the corner. It's like the real rule of constructions. So let's put 2 more windows here. It's really a well-made tool. So now we have 4 windows and a door, and this will be how it looks like. And the last doodad is not working yet, so don't mind it. It's lanterns or something, but it's not included yet. So if you close the tool, they now start building it. The little drawing disappear in the actual building. You can see it being constructed. But to make the doors and windows, we need a carpenter. So let's make one. So this guy is going to build the decorations for them. So let's make his tools for him to work. Time the building is coming along pretty well. They're up to the walls, and as you can see they're leaving space for the windows and the one for the door at the entrance, so that's pretty cool. That's it adapts to the way you design the building. And speaking about doors and windows, let's direct our carpenter to make them. Now we have some new options here. have some new tools here, but they're not available yet. But we have windows and doors. So for this home we need one door, and we also need 4 windows. So let's make 4 windows. Oops. Yeah, for some obscure region you can make the number you want. So let's make one more. We have a spare window, that's okay. Like I was saying, for the other tools, it's for maybe for upcoming professions like the spindle of clothes, but it's not available yet, so not mind it. Okay, and now they're up to the upper part of the walls where the roof's gonna be laid. And if you remembered in the last versions, they were stuck at that moment, but now they go on. They will go all the way up. And they will be able to build a roof after that. How about that? And you can make more complex. This is a very small home, but more complex one, even in geometrical fashion. And like L or T-shaped house, but I didn't do that because for some reason it's buggy and the game might crash if I try it, so I keep it simple. But one day it will be designed to do this, and it's gonna be pretty cool at that moment. So there's our door, privacy at last. And so much for privacy, yeah. Always up with these funny commentaries about description of stuff. As nighttime arrived, they're starting to build a roof now. So this is the beginning of the roof, the lower part, but they will build all the way to the top there. Yeah, I'm pretty glad we have roof now. It makes the game more complete, and now they have a safe place to reside in. Yeah, it looks all cozy inside. And I wonder if we have enough wood. I guess it's gonna be tight, but if they remove the scaffolding, I think it's gonna be okay. Almost done now. Yeah, I think it's gonna be very tight for about wood, but I think it's about complete now. Oh, and yeah, right, I will need a few more pieces, so no worries. I just chopped those trees here. There's gonna be quite enough to finish this. And there we go. And now all left is to remove all the scaffolding. Of course, if they will remove it earlier, we would not need more wood, but it's okay. I need it to make tools anyway. Okay, and as for the roof, also they will include some variation too. Not just for the type of walls and texture, but also to the shape of the roof and such, but for now it's just the basic ones. That's okay. Oh, and there goes our door. It's now placed where it should be. Pretty neat. Yeah, so here's the door. And next part is gonna be to put the windows on. But now everyone's tired, so it's gonna be stuck for a while. Cute little house, like a wooden shack. Yeah, so they're hungry too, so I guess we can make a farmer in case they get very starved. And let's make some beds too. And it's not working right now, but eventually I guess you can put the furniture inside the homes. But it's not working well right now, so just paste it anywhere. Yeah, so we can make a farmer, but I guess the carpenter and farmer is the only profession we have now. We don't even have a trapper. So let's pick about anyone. But anyway, that's not what I wanted to show. You know about the farmer already. It was about this song, but I guess it needs some finishing touch, like the windows. I don't think they will put it, but you saw as for the door, it works the same way usually. And remove the scaffolding and such, and it's gonna be complete. Stuck in the tree here. Yeah, and that's about it. And just before leaving, I guess I'm gonna show you one neat addition they made here. Is you can change the vision mode. So like you can see the roof hides everything, but now I remove it, and you can see inside. It's very useful to see people inside or to place some furniture. You can even have a view with all the walls removed. But now that's the view complete with the roof and such. So that's about it. So that's the building tune, and hope you like it. So stay tuned, and let's see you next part in a stable release. Bye bye.